Hello friends, I am in Minerva Grand in Nellore. So in this video, I am going to give you a room tour. So once we enter, this is the sit out kind of area, living area. You have two single seater sofas on this side, on two single seater sofas on other side, and there is a center table here, and here is a partition, uh, a glass partition, frosted glass partition is here. So that is the door through which we entered. So after that, if we go in, so if we move forward, here is the sleeping area or the bedroom. There is a king size bed here. There is a king size bed here. You can see the partition here. That is a door, and on either side of the bed there are side tables. On this side table there is a telephone with numbers for reception, housekeeping, room service and operator, and some instructions, a pencil and a notepad. And let's see what this is. This is the room service menu. And here care kit is there. Now let's move to the other side. Here you have the water bottles and two glasses, and TV and AC remote. And here you can see the soft beverages menu, some goodies. And here you have a kettle, a bottle of water, 2 cups, and tea, coffee, sugar and milk powder. And below this is the mini bar. This mini bar is also stocked with some water bottles, some cold drinks and some chocolates. Here is a chair, and below this is a dustbin. On the other side there is a side table with nothing on it, and inside also is empty. And if you look at this side is a full length mirror, and there is place to keep luggage. And if we go, here is the wardrobe with a locker, and here you have a laundry bag, laundry list, laundry service list, and house shoes or house footwear. There is a locker. On opposite side of this is the bathroom. So you enter the bathroom. This is divided into 2 portions. Here is the bath area with the partition, glass partition. This is glass partition, and also a shower curtain. This side, I don't know why lights are not on. Let me see. Where are the lights? Okay. So here is the wash area. You have a wash basin, a dustbin, a towel, hair dryer, a bucket and a mug. And here you have a cup, shaving kit, dental kit, comb and other toiletries. Now inside the shower area is the commode, toilet paper, top of it is the shower rack, and you have some more like the shampoo and the soap here. You can see the shower. So that's it for the room. You can just have a look again. So this is imperial category room and it's quite spacious. Hope you all liked watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.